Long, a small earthquake creating an alarming wake-up for people in Buffalo. No significant damage, but as Patrick Ryan tells us, while the shaking lasted just a few seconds, it had everyone looking for answers.
The epicenter of that quake was here on Steiner Avenue in the town of West Seneca. Neighbors were rocked awake around 6:15 this morning. The quake registered at a magnitude of 3.8 according to the United States Geological Survey, and neighbors we spoke with here at the heart of the quake say they thought there was some type of explosion. Many say they were confused after rushing to their windows and not seeing any type of action outside. A man who lives minutes away from the epicenter says he's never experienced anything like this.
It felt like an explosion. I thought a house blew up from a gas explosion, or a car ran into my house. It was terrible. I heard it from Channel 4 that it was an earthquake. So then I knew, I had thought it might have been an earthquake, but I wasn't sure until they came out with it.
And Charlie tells us he would much rather take the snow than an earthquake any day. And the West Seneca town supervisor tells us he has not been aware of any damage related to this earthquake. In West Seneca, Patrick Ryan, News Channel 9.
No damage.